RR, would you like to see where you live in this world?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. I will show you. Sit down here. This is your home. You live here. And your home is a city of Hercules. And that city of Hercules is a state of California. And that state is a continent. And all of it is on earth. All here. Look. All here is on earth. This is the world map. And this is Canada, America, Europe, Middle East, Asia, China, Australia, and Oceania, Africa, South Africa, and Antarctica. And then, your mama is from here, from Philippines. Me, I am from here. I born here. And your papa born here in America. And you born in Norway. And you born in Norway. See? And then mama moved in Norway. And papa moved in Norway. And then we have Arnel. So you have a 3 citizenship. And all of us go to America in California. You like to put this one, everything in the basket?
Yeah.
You can put it now. We must put it together nicely. Like that. And the three flashcards. Well done, RR. Good job. Good job.